So this is the Philips Smart Sleep Snoring Relief Band. 40% of men and 24% of women acknowledge that they snore at night. Now, maybe more than that, but these are the people who are admitting it. And snoring is not necessarily a major problem for the snorer, but it's often a problem for the bed partner. So this band helps you get off of your back, which is where you're more likely to snore. You wear this around your midsection. This piece gives you a gentle vibration so that you move to your side and you sleep better, you stop snoring, and your partner's never awoken. That vibration varies as well, so that it doesn't wake you, but it also doesn't allow you to get used to it and sleep through it. So this is an important product.